Hello everyone. Mohamed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence in دبي إمارات. سكولرشيب. طبعا دي منحة مهمة جدا لدراسة الكمبيوتر ساينس الارتفيشال انتليجنس، بكالوريوس الارتفيشال انتليجنس، ودي فول فاندد، منحة كاملة، إعاشة وسكن وكل حاجة في دولة الإمارات الشقيقة من جامعة محمد بن زايد. طبعا كل اعزائي واحبائي ثانويه عامه وستم، طلبه ستم اللي تعبوا فعلا وبيجتهدوا جدا، المنحه دي مهمه جدا انك تقدم فيها لو انت ميال ناحيه الانجينيرنج والتكنولوجي والارتفيشال انتليجنس والبرمجه. فرصه ما تضيعهاش. التقديم بدأ. تعال نشوف. طبعا هو بيبتدي دايما في الفتره بتاعه يناير وفبراير من كل سنه. هنشوف دلوقتي مع بعضينا الجامعة، اللي هي جامعة ده الإيميل اللي بيجي، وطبعا لازم الريكومنديشن ليتر من أحد المدرسين. ممكن أكتر من ريكومنديشن ليتر، يعني 3 ريكومنديشن ليتر، واحد من مدير المدرسة الهاي سكول، واحد منهم طبعا لازم يكون الكمبيوتر ساينس او الارتفيشال انتليجنس تيتشر او كونسلر in your school. So here you will، لما تخش الموقع طبعا MBZUAI ده الاختصار بتاع محمد بن زايد University of Artificial Intelligence. فهتلاقي الموقع دوت، هتضغط على about apply now زي ما انت شايف، و you will register your name, your phone number, your email, all things, and you will enter the teacher name and the email of the teacher which will recommend you in this form. So here it asked you first for username and password. So if you don't have, you have to sign up first. You click and sign up and then enter your first name, last name, email, mobile, and confirm each email and mobile, and confirm your password here, and select interest, undergraduate or undergraduate research internship. So here you will select graduate program or undergraduate program because you are going to PSC, Bachelor's of Science or Bachelor of Science of Artificial Intelligence. So you are selecting undergraduate program, and after you sign up and have a username and password, then you go to login with username and password, and then you have a form. This form will ask you about your interests, your proficiency, and your skills, and you can write essays about some challenge you faced and how to overcome this, about your skills, your services, your genius or intelligence work, or your capstone projects which are related to technology and artificial intelligence, how you are using artificial intelligence, what is your future thinking about artificial intelligence. Any essay like this, you have to take care. You have to write very well prepared essays, not using ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini. No. You have to reflect your personality, your experiences, and your skills in these essays. This is very important because this is the first CV for you. Other thing is, now they are using artificial intelligence programs to select the people who are at the first step, who are can be handled in the next step for interview, face to face or online interview. So take care from the words you will write. No problem, it's very good words, very good constructed, no, but it have reflect your personal, your skills, your service, the challenges which you overcome or you faced. This is very important. And you will upload your CV, your certificates in IELTS or in math if you have SAT or ACT certificate, or IELTS or TOEFL, or any hobby or any proficient for you. You can ask you for this. You have to upload, and if you selected in this process and passed all this, and your GPA is very good for them, and if he can ask you about your social case or social status from the medical status, if you have some disability, if you have some needing in resources, your economic situation with your family, the salary of your father. This is very support. If you need support in the financial sector, don't hesitate to ask your father to support you with official papers which prove that you are under limit for paying for studying abroad, so you can get this scholarship. Besides, you have to be clever, you have to be a proficient student, you have to be a very clever student. Not only you are in need. If you have any question, ask me and reply you as soon as. Don't forget to prepare the recommendation letters also, 3 recommendation letters to help you in this grant or scholarship or another scholarships. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, ask and reply you as soon as possible. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour.